Okay, quick introduction. This 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. This particular car is the Big Bend package. It's black in color. It's got these nice alloy wheels. Customer put some new tires on it before they traded it in, so the tires are like brand new. Again, 21 Ford Bronco Big Bend Sport. It's black in color. Check it out from the outside here. It's going to go through our service department. They're going to check it over top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Make sure the brakes, tires, fluids, filters, all the stuff is up to specifications. So then we can back it with a guarantee for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Basically like the new manufacturer's warranty, bumper to bumper. Anything that would be covered under the new vehicle warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. You get 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations with the purchase of any pre-owned vehicle here. Show you a close-up. Victory Honda Plymouth. Come check us out, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. This one's going through the cleanup and the shop process. It should be available shortly. Let us know. Thanks.